Corey, you need to wake up and work on your car.
Alright, today we fixed the car. We have so much work to do. It'll never get done. No, it's gonna get done. The car's gonna go on the ground today. And I hope you like that intro because it took hours to think of it. I'm waiting on Tom, my electrician. I hired an electrician to fix my car.
What's up, squad?
You have a milkshake or is that iced coffee?
It's iced coffee.
For me?
No.
Damn
You want
it.
iced coffee?
You can have it.
Yeah? I have 10 rolls.
You get that for free, alright?
Oh, I paid for this. What's up? I didn't buy, well, okay, I thought I had solder. I don't have solder. And I don't have the right wires, so we gotta go buy stuff. So let's go. To the maximum! Alright. I don't think we're gonna have power because of this little bit of an issue. We're back from AutoZone. And, it's not looking good.
That is not good.
We might have a problem here. Alright, let's see. No, we have power.
Oh.
Ha! We're good.
I know.
You know, we all, yeah, whatever.
I know we have power.
Shut up.
You can sense it in the air.
This electrician don't know shit. Alright, cool. Time to do the things and stuff that we have to do. Okay, I'm gonna go change my shoes. You can't work on a car in these.
Those Jordans.
Jordans.
It's not ready yet, kids.
Oh, it's 9:15.
Alright,
14. Another fucking 12.
what are you working on?
Starter.
Huh?
Starter. Another what the fuck?
What are you looking for?
A 13.
It's good to have multiples, remember?
I know, I just bought some. Oh, they're in my drawer.
It's good to have 75 10mm also.
Yeah, totally. She's gonna win. This oil level says she's not coming out. What happened? Great.
Uh-oh.
What happened? You unplugged the light to use
No, I
the
think the breaker got tripped.
Oh, fuck!
Yay, no power! Or the power went out.
Or that. Let me go look.
Slight problem.
What's up? Just saying hi to the cats.
Hi. Relaxing, relaxing, all shooting all some beat ball outside of the school. I'm white as fuck. Are you recording this? I'm just gonna delete it.
No, save
this
it.
is still in a video.
So I don't have a pilot bearing puller tool, and that really pisses me off because I swear to God I could see it in my mind that it was in my toolbox. So I have to drive to Summit, which is about 45, maybe an hour away. So that sucks. And this is gonna turn into Summit in front of us. When I turn the camera around, it's gonna be Summit. We're here. And this is why we went to Summit. We're here. So a bit of an update, well, my battery's gonna die, is that quite a few speed bumps, got everything back together, and where are we? What? I don't know, we just gotta put the trans on. Oh, and I ordered the wrong valve cover gasket because I'm an idiot. So, that's about it. We're gonna watch the Grand Tour and chill, and I'm putting the trans in tomorrow with Tom. Nothing exciting. Well, the car might be fixed. Well, the car will be fixed.
I feel like we got a lot done today. We put the thingy back in there.
What thing? The plug?
Yeah.
Yeah, the stupid oil galley plug. And then
Yeah,
we
it took a while.
also fixed the wires. So if you're still watching, I'm amazed because this clip is extremely boring. And maybe we'll see you for the next video. Whenever that is going to be. Maybe if the car's on the ground. Maybe, I don't know if I even feel like recording the rest of this crap. Because it is crap.
If they want to see it, they should like the video. And they want to see the rest of it.
My battery's going to die. The power went out like
4 times.
like three or four times.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I gotta return that tool to Mike. I have to do that tonight.
Yes.
Both the tools actually. Alright, see ya, bye.